So, after unbelievable long time, look what I have here. My new camera E4K. Yeah, I'm one of those who ordered it on AliExpress and it was never delivered. So yeah, I had to buy it on geekbuying.com, and yeah, thanks guys, it took 10 days to deliver. Funny is that this store contacted me like 2 weeks ago and offered the same price like my pre-order, and yeah, they never respond after it. So I ordered it again at Geek Buying, and here we go, 10 days. Ta-da! Yeah. Seems this opener will be a little flappy. Yeah. Whatever. But yeah, okay. So again, thank you Geek Buying for my new camera. And yeah, look, some little gift. Beep beep. And I don't know what that thing is, maybe for cleaning. And little fishy. Yeah, that's it. So guys, buy it on Geek Buying and you will get it in 10 days. So let's have a first test. Stabilization is on and it's a little windy, so we will see. This is my garden. It's all set to daylight. Anyway, I had to update firmware because Samsung Evo SD card didn't work, and yeah, now it's working with no problem. So yeah, I'm happy about. But I will use SanDisk, so we'll see tomorrow if it works well. My neighbors. Tomatoes. Yeah, seems electronic stabilization is good. I would say so. Hi chickens. Yeah, that's all.